Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kavade. I'm a nature and animal communicator and a tarot card reader, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. In a lot of tarot card readings that I do for animal communication, after the communication, pentacles may come up, and pentacles are often associated with our physical form. For a lot of people in human readings, they are also associated with monetary benefits, financial benefits, material growth. However, animals may look at it slightly differently. I recently spoke to a cat, and when I pulled out a card to explain how the cat feels in a more tangible manner, the Knight of Pentacles came up. Now, in a lot of cases, we as humans may feel a little disappointed with the Knight of Pentacles because it may often reflect stagnant energy, it may reflect a lack of movement, and it may reflect something a little boring because there is very little movement in the card. However, when I spoke to the cat about it, the cat mentioned that this card does not reflect boredom, does not reflect stagnation for the cat, but instead it reflects safety through routine, through repetition, and through following a structure that brings familiarity to the cat, because that is what makes the cat feel physically safe and in control of the situation. In terms of movement, there was enough movement, the cat was healthy also, but the cat wanted movement in the form of reliable movement rather than dramatic sudden changes that could make the cat feel uncomfortable or scared or even anxious about the changes that were coming into the animal's life. I've often seen that knights, especially, not just with pentacles but with other suits also may come up, especially during a transition phase where there are changes happening, or it may come up during behavior training if the animal is going through some training, if the animal is going through an illness, a behavioral issue, or something when the animal feels that the routine itself is doing something more that may seem very boring at the surface level, but intuitively and energetically is actually really helping them a lot. So with this specific instant, the Knight of Pentacles was ensuring that the process, while it may be slow, it may seem slow, is working very effectively, efficiently, but quietly for the cat, and the cat is absolutely loving the space of life where there is so much of stability, there is so much of predictability, because that also built the cat's trust and helped the cat become more confident in their physical form. The cat also mentioned that this predictability and routine was also helping them regulate their nervous system. So hence predictability was extremely important, and the Knight, especially in this case, was showing that kind of trust that the animal was showing in the human on account of the routine that the animal was being provided by the human as well. So this is how this cat beautifully spoke about what the Knight of Pentacles meant for the cat. Now, in a lot of cases, like I mentioned, we humans may interpret it as slow, boring, but that was not the case with the cat. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have such experiences, please do mention them in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other. Until next video, bye bye.